As far as trading on Nifty and Sensex is concerned, I think the second half of the day today will be much better than the first half. So the period up to about 1 o'clock will be little on the negative side, but the period after 1 o'clock will be much better, more positive, and we could see a decent rally in that period. Second half better than the first half. This is the sum and substance of how I believe that trading will be on Nifty and Sensex today. Those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. But before doing that, please make sure that you are a patient investor and that you are willing to listen patiently and peacefully to what I suggest. There is a whole host of people who have come across who are trying to double their money every day. I do not profess any such thing. If you think that I can double and give you every day, every hour, that's not me. It's a good art that I'm trying to teach. Those who would like to can join the course. Again, here I would require people. If I say the markets are going to correct, it's not right now. I'm saying it is round the corner, few days, a week. I try and guide people in advance so they're well prepared. So there is a whole host of people. We have been receiving something like 6 to 7 messages every 5 minutes. That has been the speed at which people are asking me questions about naked puts, options, futures. And that's not what I have advised. Somebody else has advised and they keep asking me questions. Well, that's why we have laid down regulations. Firstly, I don't look at WhatsApp messages directly now anymore. If you are a member of the Art of Investing or intend to be a part of the course, yes, that gets transferred to me. Otherwise, it's get filtered out by my assistants. I don't directly look into anything other than these messages which are there. This is not to be showing a sign of that I am trying to not answer your queries, but I believe there is a whole host of people who have gathered around who do not really want to learn the true art of investing. They are just there as speculators, or they just want to make money, and they try to find out from my videos where they can figure out anything. So these are not the type of people. We want serious people who want to learn, who want to understand my logic, and then on the basis of that they decide whether the risk should be taken or not. These are the types of people we are trying to encourage, not the types of people who are there only for freebies, right? They just try to figure out, and then they have already used that and they misinterpret. If I say the market will be fall here and there, yesterday I had pointed out that at 120 the market will fall. It fell. So somebody had some naked put, and he made very good sum of money in just 10 minutes, and he is saying, sir, I made so much money and so much profit. I believe he made something like 5 lakhs in just 5 or 10 minutes. But this was itself not my intention, that I'm trying to encourage a whole host of speculators. I want people to learn the true art, which may be short, medium and long term. That's how you benefit most. But as I said, there's a whole host of people who have gathered. They're just watching, and whatever information they can get in that video of mine, they want to try to use in whichever manner. That is not the way. If you have to learn how to use the information also. Information is not just you are there and you can use it the way you want. Firstly, if you are not a part of the Art of Investing course, or you are not intend to be a part, it gets filtered to some other people. Now I will not be reading these messages, as it is traumatic to keep answering 6 or 7 messages every 5 minutes. It's not. I have been doing it so far but it is no longer feasible. And this is to be fair to the Art of Investing people who have paid, and those who are not looking for freebies. They want good professional advice. They're willing to pay for it. We encourage these people more, and we understand it's not that we are trying to make money, but this is the type of people who are serious. who are willing to be a part, who understand that there's a cost of the data, and we are not making any bit money in this whole thing. But yes, there is a cost of data which we also have to defray. There are some serious people who have joined, and I'm thankful for them, and it is being motivated with them that we continue forward. Happy investing. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.